everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. How to change Hotmail password. If you think that your account is in threat and there might be a possibility that someone might know your password to your account, then in this case you can protect your account by simply going to your Outlook account and changing your password. I'll show you exactly how to do it in today's episode. Watch the video till the very end to learn how. Subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to your web browser on your computer and log into your Outlook account. After you are in, go to your initial sign located at the upper right corner. Click on My Microsoft Account. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see an option at the upper right to change password. Simply click on it. To change your password, you'll need to enter your current password first. Enter it right here. In case you forgot the password, you can reset to a new password by clicking on Forgot Your Password and following the instructions. Now on the next field, enter a new password that you want to change to. Now re-enter the password one more time to make sure that it is being typed in correctly. After you're done, click on Save. But if you want Microsoft to remind you to change your password every 72 days, then click on this box right here. If not, then simply uncheck it back or leave it as it is. And after you're done, click on Save. With this, you have changed your password. As you can see the last update date right here. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. We'll be sure to get back to you on those comments that you make. I'll see you soon with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.